Today we're making a 3D Flashcard prototype in Figma. Start by making each side of the flashcard with 2 frames, the front and back. Flip the card horizontally to create the flipping effect. Click the letter and flip it so we can read it. Duplicate the star icon and change the color. Select the 2 frames and duplicate, change their position and rename. Next, select the 2 frame above and align them vertically, same with the frames below. Make sure the front layers are on the top of the back layers. Select and make components. Rename the components into flipped and unflipped. Select both and combined as variants. Now switch to prototype mode and connect them with Smart Animate. Place it in a frame and click present. Now you have your 3D Flashcard.